Welcome to TSC Innovations, where we're constantly innovating new innovations. Today's product showcase features the Aqualux 5000, a new, revolutionary, hydroelectric storage unit, a robust, compact, and eco-conscious chassis. The laws of conservation energy are the principal force in our design process, inspiring the unique, vertical layout of components. The unit operates on clean, limitless solar energy from a 20-watt photovoltaic panel. The sun juice provides power to discrete, low-power, submersible water pump that moves the electric storage medium from the bottom reserve tank to the top holding tank. Using a patented in-house designed in-built valve system, the water does not leak, even with a full load of 5 gallons of electric storage medium. At user request, the valve may open to allow flow and operate the inline electric turbine, capable of generating 750 milliwatts of power for as long as the pump remains on. We understand acoustic performance is a chief concern to our customers, so we designed the unit to operate near silently. The pump's vibrations have been suppressed by unique fluid properties of the electric storage medium, and the only audible sounds from the Aqualux 5000 are the soft, relaxing tones of flowing water. Our team of engineers have been hard at work lovingly handcrafting and assembling each Aqualux 5000 unit. Safety is our number one priority here at TSC Innovations, the leader in innovating new innovations. But our team still enjoys a relaxed, stress-free environment to collaborate and create. We prevent the small chance of electrocution by consulting our team of experts to utilize the highest quality personal protective gear and advanced shielding techniques. The Aqualux 5000 is the world's first vertically integrated hydroelectric storage solution, and we want to thank you for viewing this special presentation. Our sales team can be reached at 555-536-4486. Please contact 555-536-4486 for any additional inquiries. The corporation has not been OSHA approved. Special thanks to our founding members, Shane Minerman, Chad Vincent, and this guy. Funding disclosure by Karcher Morris, affiliate University of California, San Diego.